Hi everyone, it's Cibelle Hill here, and today I'm sharing something truly bright, fragrant, and so delightfully soft. My velvety and moist orange with cream cake. If you love citrusy bakes that melt in your mouth, this one is going to be your new favorite. Ingredients for the cake: 200 grams of sugar, 2 teaspoons of orange zest, about 8 grams, 110 grams of softened butter, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 2 large eggs, 30 milliliters of orange juice, 187 grams of purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 120 milliliters of milk. For the cream topping, 120 milliliters of heavy cream, beaten, 40 grams of sugar, fresh orange zest, the juice of 1 orange. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. In a bowl, add your sugar and orange zest. Rub them together with your spatula. This releases the beautiful orange oils and fills your kitchen with the loveliest aroma. Add the vegetable oil. Then the softened butter. Beat everything until it becomes light, fluffy, and pale in color. This is what gives the cake that velvety texture. Add your eggs. Pour in the orange juice. And mix well until the batter is smooth. When the mixture looks creamy, sift in the flour, the baking powder, and the salt. Mix gently until there are no visible traces of flour. Now add your milk and whisk just until smooth. Do not overmix. Scrape the sides and bottom so everything blends evenly. Line a square cake pan with butter and a dusting of flour. Pour in the batter, spread it evenly, and tap the pan to release any air bubbles. Bake in your preheated oven for 40 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. While the cake bakes, beat your heavy cream until it thickens. Add the sugar, the orange zest, and the juice of 1 orange. Mix well. Then place it in the fridge to chill. Once your cake is baked, remove it from the oven. While it's still warm, gently poke the entire surface with a toothpick, little holes all over. Then brush fresh orange juice across the whole cake, letting it soak in beautifully. This gives the sponge that extra burst of moisture and a deeper citrus flavor. Let it cool completely. When it's cool, take your chilled cream and place it into a piping bag. Now decorate your cake with swirls of that fragrant orange cream. And there it is, your velvety orange moist cake. Soft, aromatic, refreshing, and absolutely gorgeous. I'm Cibelle Hill. Enjoy this beautiful citrusy treat, and I'll see you next time.